Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at the Sideshow Poison Ivy statue, the second one that was released in 2023. Actually, I think I got this the first week of 2024, but whatever, it's 2023. I think this is my favorite Sideshow Poison Ivy statue. I got 3 of them. I got the other new one that came out last year that's sitting down, and I got the other one with the weird colored green with their arms sticking out. I think I like this one the best. The base is cool, the skull's on it, the teeth or whatever that is, and it's just more monstrous, more villainous looking. The other Poison Ivy they did a few years ago with the weird color green and the arms sticking out that had a switch out head that looked more evil. I like that one too. Kind of reminds me of that. Just instead of a seductive Ivy, this is her as a real villain, about to rip you in half with some vines or something. I just really love this statue. I think it's a 5 out of 5, honestly. I'm looking at it as I'm looking at the video trying to talk, and I see no reason why I can't give it a 5 out of 5. It's just very good. It's tall though, so you'll need space for it, but it's a great statue. The base is just so cool. I like more monster type bases like this. Horror. It's awesome. That's all I gotta say about it. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of the video. Take care.